In this part we will try to model undercarriage part, so this part below bed and below engine cover. I will not spend much time with adding details on that part, but you can always come back and add as much as you want details. So before we will start, I need to adjust this engine cover. So go to edge mode and select these edges and also these, and hit loop and control backspace, and also this one, control backspace. Now go to left viewport, select these words and push them here. Okay, and now make one loop here and select these words and push them in, something like that. Now with polygon mode, select these polygons, and with Alt deselect these, so we need just these polygons. So hit extrude and something like that. Sorry. And now with Swift loop we need one loop here, one here, one here also. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, we definitely need more resolution here, so select this edge heat ring and make 3 segments. Okay, ring connect but one segment, and we can make 2 segments here. Okay, let's see now. Okay, that looks decent. We will add one more iteration on turbo smooth later. That looks okay. Now we will make this part here. So go to right viewport and create panel, and we need one box from here to here. Okay, convert that to editable poly. Go to hierarchy panel, affect pivot point and center to object, and move that to 0 on X. Okay, and now actually select these words and push them here, and then move this object here. Okay, and now select this polygon and hit extrude. 5 will be fine. Hit OK, and now select this one and hit extrude. Then will be okay. And now let's zoom in, select these words and push them down, something like that. Okay, And now we can scale this object on X. Okay. And now press on keyboard Alt Q to enter isolation mode. Let's zoom in. And now select this edge, hit ring, connect with two segments, pinch 95, select this edge, ring, connect, same settings, select this edge, hit ring, connect two segments and pinch 80. Okay. Select this guy here, hit ring, connect, two segments, pinch 80, select this edge, connect two segments and pinch 90, hit OK, and select this guy, hit ring, connect two, three segments, and same settings here. Let's apply turbo smooth. Okay, and let's change color to something like that and exit isolation mode. Later we will add second iteration on turbo smooth and that will look good. Now we can move on, go to create panel, and we need one more box. Let's make one box from here to here. Okay. Hierarchy, affect pivot point center to object, and 0 on X. Convert that to editable poly, and let's make one loop here. And now in perspective viewport we can, let's change color to something more visible. Okay, and select this polygon, hit extrude, 10 will be okay, actually 11, and hit OK. Actually we can hide wheels for now and bed. Okay. And let's scale this object on X. Okay. And now select these bottom verts and also scale them down on X. Something like that. Okay. Now with Swift loop make one loop here and select this polygon and hit extrude, something big. $110. Okay. Actually, before that, select this edge, hit ring, connect with two segments and pinch 70, and then select this guy and extrude. Hit OK. Now let's make with Swift loop one edge here, actually one loop here, and select this edge, hit ring, connect two segments with pinch 60, hit OK, and select this polygon, delete, and also this one. And now select these two edges and bridge them. Same story here and also here and here. Bridge. Okay. Next, I will try to model front axle and front shock absorber. So this part here, and I will try to improvise with this front axle. So let's unhide left front wheel, hide them all, except front left trim and tire. Okay. And let's zoom in here. In create panel, let's select cylinder, make one cylinder, something like that. Okay. Let's change color to blue. Okay. Effect pivot point and center to object. And actually let's adjust height to value. And now effect pivot point center to object and 0 on X. And now convert that to editable poly. Select this edge, hit ring and connect. And now select these polygons and delete them. Okay. And let's apply symmetry on Z and flip. Okay. Select this polygon and push that here. Okay. And now press Z. Okay, and press inset, but something like 5 will be okay. And now hit extrude. Something like that. Actually, let's undo that. Make 3. 3 will be okay. And now extrude. push that in. Okay. Now with Swift loop, make one loop here, one here, zoom in, and okay. Apply turbo smooth. Press on keyboard Alt and Q. We don't need this polygon. Okay. That will be good. Now we need this little box here. So come here and make one box. Something like that. Okay. 15, 15, and 15. Let's place that in position. Something like that. Okay. And convert that to editable poly. And now select this polygon, hit inset, apply and continue, and one more point, one, maybe 0.25. Okay. And hit extrude to maybe 1.5. Okay, and one more inset. And now select this guy here, hit ring to connect with two segments and pinch 35, and select this edge, hit ring, connect two segments and pinch 90, same settings here, and also here, ring, connect. Let's apply turbo smooth. Okay, let's move that here just a bit, and we can scale that on X. Now push that back in. Okay. You can always come back and add these small details, but we will not spend time on this at the moment. So let's go and try to build this shock absorber, and go to create panel and create one more cylinder. And let's create one. Okay. Now push that up, something like that. Sorry. And push that in a bit. Okay. And adjust height. Okay, that will be fine, and convert that to editable poly, And now let's go to isolation mode and select this polygon, hit inset. 2 will be okay, and extrude. Okay, and delete this guy here, and with swift loop one edge here. Okay, actually let's undo last one. Okay, now with swift loop make one loop here and one here. Now select these edges and hit connect and make 14 segments. Hit OK and select these guys, hit connect and make 18 segments. Okay, now select this edge, this edge, this. Okay, and also these guys. Okay, let's zoom in and hit ring, and with press Ctrl and polygon, and now hit inset something small, 0.2, maybe 0.25. Okay, and now hit extrude, local normal, and let's see, 5. Still too much. Let's try with 2, 2.5 maybe. Too much. 2. Okay. And now one more inset, 0.1, and hit OK. Now select, you need to select these inner edges, so okay, now hit ring and connect 2 segments with pinch 85. Okay, and select this guy and also delete and apply turbo smooth. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's exit isolation mode. And we can push this object in just a bit. Okay, and now we need one more cylinder, so okay, and let's change color to something like that. radius 10, and let's try with height 60. Okay, push that up more. Sorry, something like that. Push that here. And let's turn down height to 55 with 50. Okay, and let's push that down a bit. Okay, 55. Okay, and let's make one cap segment. Okay, and Alt Q. Okay, and convert that to editable poly and apply turbo smooth. Okay, and select this edge, hit ring and connect with two segments and pinch 80, and also one more connect with two segments, 0 pinch, 0 slide. And let's see what we have. With two iterations. Okay. Now let's go to right viewport, and actually let's go to top viewport, and with swift loop, actually no, select this edge and this one, hit ring, connect two segments with 0 pinch, actually with pinch negative 65, and slide them here. Okay, let's see what we have. Actually, let's select these two guys, hit loop and move them here. And now with polygon mode selected, select these two guys and hit extrude, and something like that, hit apply and continue, and now hit OK. And now select these words and scale them down, something like that, and select these edges, hit connect one segment with slide 50. Okay, and now select these words and also scale them down just a bit. And actually we can select these words and scale them. Something like that. Okay.